Hello, my name is Sakshi and today I am going to explain about the topic of case studies in pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science of detecting, assessing, understanding and preventing the adverse effects of medicines. Case studies in pharmacovigilance illustrate the real-world examples where post-marketing surveillance identified drug-related risks leading to regulatory actions. There are some examples for some key cases of pharmacovigilance. First is rofecoxib, that is Vivax cardiovascular risk. Rofecoxib or COX-2 inhibitor was introduced for pain relief, especially in arthritis patients. It was widely prescribed due to its reduced gastrointestinal effect. The clinical trials and real world data revealed in an increased risk of heart attacks and strokes with prolonged use. The regulatory action in 2004, the Merck voluntarily withdrew the Vivox from market. The impact of this incident highlighted the need for long-term safety monitoring and stricter post-marketing surveillance. Then the second case was thalidomide case, which caused birth defects. The background of thalidomide case was uh, introduced in late 1950s as a sedative and treatment for monitoring the morning sickness in pregnant women. The issue of due to the thalidomide was the thousands of babies were born in with severe limb deformities due to the drugs' tetratogenic effects. Um, the regulatory action was performed. The drug was withdrawn the early 1960s. This was a stricter drug approval process during the mandatory pregnancy risks assessments. The impact of this case was strengthened the pharmacovigilance systems worldwide and established the regulatory agencies like FDA and EMA. The third case study was troglitazone, which is resilin, which caused the liver toxicity. The troglitazone was approved in 1990s, was an anti-diabetic medication. Uh, the reports of severe liver damages and fatal outcomes was noticed due to the consumption of the drug. The drug was withdrawn from US market in 2000 after the multiple reports of liver failure. The impact of the drug was it emphasized the importance of the liver function test during the drug trials and post-market surveillance. Then the fluoroquinolones case, it caused the tendon ruptures. The fluoroquinolones are antibiotics widely used for bacterial infections. The reports linked to these drugs to increased risk of tendon ruptures and particularly in older and adults, those on corticosteroids. The regulatory action after the FDA issued black box warning, the highest safety alert to inform doctors and patients. The impact of this case was led to the caution in prescribing quinolones, especially for minor and infections. Uh, then COVID-19 mRNA vaccines that caused the myocardic risks. Yeah, the mRNA vaccines, the Pfizer, Biotech, and Moderna were developed rapidly to combat the COVID-19. The rare cases of myocarditis, heart inflammation were reported, particularly in young males after the second dose. The regulatory action was taken. The health agency investigated and conducted that the benefits of vaccination of far overweigh the risk. The updated guidelines recommended monitoring for symptoms. The impact of this case demonstrated the importance of real-time pharmacovigilance during mass immunization programs. The case studies has key concepts, which are early detection saves the lives. Many adverse drug reactions Many adverse drug reactions ADRs were identified post-marketing, proving the necessity of pharmacovigilance. Regulatory actions are crucial. The drug withdrawals warnings and label changes the product changes protect the public health. The ongoing market monitoring is essential. Even even approved drugs require continuous safety assessment. These lessons improve the drug development. Past mistake led to better regulatory policies and drug testing standards. Thank you.